That's my dot. Okay, 14.9. Why? Why? Because there's an arrow. That's where you will stand. That arrow.
Oh.
Because you're showing these two walls. That's why you're standing there. If I stand here, I will not see the bed. I will be focusing that way.
So that's what this is? This is the drawing for isometric? Like this is the symbol for isometric? Okay, because this is 30 degrees? Like this
Yeah,
is...
you're gonna
okay, got
rotate it at 30.
Okay.
So now we have, okay, so this is 30. So what will this be? This is gonna be 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. The other side is 14, 9. Is my 9, 9? Fine. Okay, so that is the ground.
The ground is on the side you're on now? Is this the ground?
Yeah, so this, I'm tilting the room.
Okay.
I will label this as A, B, that point B, C, and D. So this is A. This is the B, C, and D.
Is it always going to be 30 degrees? Okay.
There are different angles for isometric. There's 45, 45, there's 30, 60, there's 30, 30. So the only the angles that we're going to use is the 30, 30 because that's the most commonly used. So I will not spend time talking about that except if we have another semester.
But those are usually a standard. Are they 30, 45, or 60? They won't ask for odd.
No,
Like,
no. And they always use 30, 30. In my work experience, I did mechanical plans in a 30, 30 and electrical. So they also use that for others. Bring up the height. Okay, what is the height of the room?
8.
8. So measure 8. 8 feet. Okay. So it's gonna, you need to move it down. So it's better that I had to show it to you so that you can move this down so that it will fit your sheet.
Can we just use a bigger paper for this one? Because we still have to write the title.
You can write the title here on the
Oh,
side.
we can put it on the side.
Yeah, so it's just all gonna be same size paper. Okay, now tell me the distance of the walls. 1, 2, 3. How far is the wall from that corner? Tell me. So I don't.
From what corner?
3,
From
4.
this point, tell me 3, 4.
Yeah. 3, 4,
Okay, 3, 4,
2, 6,
2, 6,
1, 9,
1, 9.
2, 6.
Wait a minute.
So is this now going to be your floor?
Yeah, this is the floor.
Or you're just
This is the
sticking them
floor.
together, right? So
Yeah. This
okay,
is the
got it.
floor. This is your wall. What's this? Your wall. Wall B. This is B.
Yeah,
and that's
this
C.
is kind
This
of
is
your
wall
north
B
elevation, right?
and C. Yeah. So I am using my floor plan. I read my floor plan to be able to do an isometric.
But then if I want to say like these three, this is your floor plan, this is your
Your
north,
yes,
this is your
it's your
west.
west.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
Bring them together.
when you do this, you need all these materials as a reference to be able to do this. Because this is a combination of your 2D, 2D, a plan and elevation. That's why it's now 3-dimensional. So when I work, I have everything there, or I stick it on the on my wall and I face the wall. So it's not that I hide this. You need to see it up there.
Can I just see this for a second?
2, 6.
So okay, then you have another 2, 6.
Oh, sorry.
2 inches.
2 inches after your 1.
1, 9,
Wait.
and then 2, 6.
Let's say 1, 2, 6. Okay, 1, 9, and then 2, 6. Where is that? Okay, 2, 6. Then
2 inches. And then
2 inches, and then
4, 6.
4, 6. It might be wrong.
1, 9. No?
Okay, let's try this again.
It's 14, 9.
You said it's 14, 9.
It says 14, 9.
Okay.
Did we add it up?
There you go. I need an erasing sheet. The brush. You have a brush? Your
Yeah.
neighbor? Okay, can I borrow?
So all of this you would be doing in blue.
Yeah, but I know, but you cannot take a picture because it's
we
very
won't see
light. Do you want me to do it in blue?
I can't see when I'm taking
I just wanted to confirm.
I know. I said, well, should I do this in black? All right. You cannot see it.
Pencil and then pen on top. So I don't use blue.
And make sure it's accurate, otherwise it will not close.
Do we have to do pen on this one?
What?
Do we have to use pen for the final when we're done?
No.
Okay.
Because it said pen.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
I can compromise.
But if you use pen, do you?
Are you use pen? Are you confident you can use pen?
No.
I'm more
Okay.
comfortable
If
with pen
you
on-
you have something that's wrong like this, can you erase it?
I erase it.
Okay. If you think and don't tell me.
Should be optional.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
it's
should be
optional.
Just want to see that I don't lose grade because of using.
Okay, now okay. Make sure first this is correct. Okay, now
3,
go.
4.
3, 4,
2, 6.
2, 6,
1, 9.
1, 9, 1, 9. You know, if I do it in AutoCAD, it's so fast.
I can't wait to do AutoCAD. I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
wait.
you will love it. Okay, what's
2,
that?
6.
This is done,
1, 9, 2, 6. 1, 9 is down. Then 2,
and then 2,
6.
6, 2, 6,
You have 2 inches
and then a 2 inch,
and 4, 6.
and then 4, 6. Okay, good. Okay, what are these lines? I bring it up. Yes, what is the window height? Where will I know that? Ceiling height, window height. Okay, the window is 7 feet above from the floor total.
You
So
really know from
yeah, here. Yeah, you will know it there because you're gonna draw it there. And then now it says it's 7 feet high. There. And then what's the height? From the ground, it's 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. So that gives me a window of 4 feet.
FFLs from the floor.
Yeah. Finish floor line. Okay, that's your window.
Because there's 2.
Yeah, so let's go back to the plan. I see there's a window and there's a window. Okay? Now, the window, does it look like a window or does it look like a frame?
Frame.
Okay, so you need to make it look like a window, so show the depth of your window. What is the depth of a wall?
5 inches.
5.
Exterior.
8.
8. So measure 8. Measure 8. This is my 8. And this is my 8. Okay,
Yeah.
right? It's only manual, but what more if you do SketchUp?
Good detail.
Okay, then this is a window. Can you jump out of the window? Yes, because there's no glazing. So maybe,
possible.
okay, for now, let's just put this as the center of your glazing. So do not jump out. For now, at least there's something there, right?
What's glazing?
Glass.
Oh, the glass.
Okay, so if you want to deal more with this glazing, you need to do the window frame.
So you want us to
and
do
then-
all of this?
No,
Yeah.
just that one
Okay.
for now.
Standard.
Yeah, standard. Okay, so we're done with the wall. We're done with the floor and the windows. So next we go to furnitures. You don't start with furnitures.
So perimeter and work in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So why? And why? Because in a structure, you cannot deliver the furnitures in the field.
Right.
You need to have a room first. Okay? So you need to construct first. In a room, you don't deliver the windows first without the floor and the wall. So you need first, think of that.
building
In
from the
terms of
ground up.
construction, you need the floor, the wall, the window, and then the furniture. Okay.
Okay.
If you have a closet, when does the closet come in? Before the furniture, because it's part of the building. Okay, now we start with what furniture do you want? You want this? Yes. So that measures 4.6 by 1.8. There's my 4.6 on the ground. Where's my 1.8? Do you see that little tiny space? So that's around 1 inch only. Eyeball, I just eyeball and I measure 1.8. Why do we have at least 1 inch? It's if there's no 1 inch, it means that it is
stuck.
nailed on the wall. So that's your only way to tell them this is a movable furniture on the ground. You see my 30-degree, I do it this way and I rotate it the other way. Or you can do it this and you can flip it there. Okay, now
So all furniture should have a line behind the wall if it's movable.
it's movable. Okay, so let's try to make this line first for that. I don't know why this is not straight. Okay, anyway. There. What is the size?
2616.
2616. So I will just make 26 by 16.
Where's
So-
1.6? 2.6? And 1.6 is where?
This right here, 2.6, right there.
There's the size.
There and then.
Okay, and then you have a space which is 2 inches. Okay, I will just eyeball because I know where's 2 inches. That's my 2 inches. That's where my bed will start. What is the size of my bed?
4.6.
4.6.
And 6.6.
4.6 by 6.6.
What's this one for? This 2 inches.
The headboard.
So what's this? This is the
Okay, so your 6.6 is after the 2 inches. So you go 2 inches first. Let's just add 2 inches here. There. That's my 2 inches. And then I'll just move this back.
Oh, 6.6
Okay,
after 2
yeah, yeah.
or including 2?
after.
Oh, I need the brush. Okay. So there, everybody, and here.
Can you just clarify, is it including or after?
Because
Because
I'm
the lines
drawing-
go from one end to the other of the 6.6.
Ah, okay. So it's including maybe the headboard. What does it mean? It is nailed
Oh.
because
Because it's
it is
touching?
Yeah, that's
It
it.
is. The
No, but it's not. But there's a second line there.
Okay, this is the line of the wall.
Yeah.
This is the line of the headboard. So the headboard has to have two lines.
So it's a thickness
So,
of 2 inches.
Yeah, so there. So it means that it's not away from the wall. It's stuck there on the wall. So do you see headboards
Oh,
that
because
are
you're
nailed on the wall?
right.
Yes.
Right, because you're saying otherwise there would be 3 lines. Right. If it wasn't stuck to the wall.
But
right,
is
because
the-
it's showing you the thickness of the actual headboard. I gotcha.
But is the other indicator that this
Okay,
6 foot
so
6
can
inch
I
line goes from
erase
here to here?
that?
Like, but yeah, I think so.
Okay, can I erase that? Because it shows there's only a line of the wall and the other line is for the headboard. It's not 2 lines for the headboard. It's just like another line. So that means it's nailed on the wall. So if I bring up the height, so now I have that, I have this. Do I have another table there? No. So let's deal with the headboard first.
What is the line here?
Footboard.
Oh.
See, that's really confusing because some beds don't even have a headboard. So how would you know that this is a headboard versus just yeah.
Yeah, because
Because you're
will-
telling us,
Yeah,
but-
and you're gonna see it here because you are the designer. Okay, but based on the plan, you as students, you should be able to interpret that plan in an elevation, given measurements of furniture sizes.
Right.
And this is not going to be provided by your teacher. In the future, I provide it to you now. But in the future, you have to research on all the things that you need to put on the plan.
Okay.
And we are dealing with that 2 weeks from now.
Right.
I will not provide anything. I will just give you the floor plan empty. You provide the furniture, the research, everything, isometric drawing.
Oh, Maria.
Because that is when you leave my class in 14 weeks, you have everything in your bag. I'm ready to take anything.
See, those windows need to be open.
Yeah, you will not call me anymore after 14 weeks.
Oh, we will be emailing you. See this line though? Because she's the one who pointed out. See how this line of 6 foot 6 inches went right to the wall?
Oh
and
no,
right to
but there's
here?
a 2.
No, right. The 2 is the thickness of the headboard.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's how she was saying,
But if
like
you
it's
look
nailed
at-
to the wall because of this whole entire
Okay,
line
okay,
touched the
okay,
wall.
Okay, I will agree with you. Oh, that's funny, right? Because I
And then
told you
what is-
this came from a book.
Yeah,
Okay, it's
yeah,
not from me.
Yeah.
Your other drawing, where's the other drawing? The final drawing, that came from me.
Okay.
So let's just work with this one.
Okay.
And what's this?
That's a footboard.
But you can tell by if you add the
It's a footboard.
Old-fashioned.
Yeah. You don't show any more footboard.
So like a frame.
right? All you have
Frame
to
of
do
the
is
bed.
add
Yes.
the
Can I
dimensions.
see
Right here.
assignment, the next assignment?
It's like a
The
toddler's
text,
bed.
the text before this page.
From 2-year-old to adult.
Yeah, and look at that. That's very short.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so whatever you have there. No. Assignment. The other one.
The project.
Assignment number 3.
No, the actual assignment that we have to do.
That's right here.
Is that that?
No.
That's the exercise. The one
I
that-
can go back to my table.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was planning to deal with this as an exercise, and then your assignment is what you did a while ago. Your exercise is the plan that I'm gonna use. And then I provided you some photos, and you're just capturing these photos to edit your work. Okay? But we decided to work with this instead to be your assignment.
So should we still use those photos?
Yeah,
as,
yeah.
like,
No,
inspiration
not
for
anymore.
the-
If you want, yeah, like
to, like, draw,
inspirational
like,
photos,
the
yeah.
3D, like,
Yeah.
so we know what the backboard.
That's right.
like,
So that
looks like.
everybody's like we're uniform. We're all the same. Because now I don't expect you to research. But in your final project, you will research. I will not do the research. You will have your own style. It's also preparing you to be a designer. Now you're not yet a designer. You're just like a draftsperson.
So these 3 pages are gonna be the assignment, we don't have to worry about these
No,
ones.
yeah. But if you tell me, Maria, I cannot imagine how my headboard would look like, and my footboard, and my dresser, or my cabinets, then Maria provided me images. Then I should just copy that. Okay? So, if you're the person who doesn't want this, make it your own. Okay, so there I have it. Now I have my what's this? My headboard. So I bring up my headboard. I bring it up here. Make sure you have everything on the ground first. This, all the furniture's on the ground. Do not start working on this and developing the whole thing. And then finally, it's not correct because the placing of your space planning is wrong.
So you want us to put all the furniture down and then bring it up, not one by one.
Not one by one. Okay, so what is the height of your headboard? Because Maria is also providing me that.
3, 4.
3 height.
That's the length,
Okay,
that's the height.
so it's 3, 4. 3, 4. Let's say it's only 3, 4.
Video.
Okay. What will I do with this point?
Put it across. Triangle.
Do it this way. Rotate. That part you connect here. This part you connect there. This part you connect here. So that's your headboard. Next, what's your mattress?
110. Oh, man.
That's the
I
head.
think it's a 2.
10.
10 inches. Okay. So let's check this out. Okay, this is done. Your mattress is top from floor is 2 feet. So from the floor you measure 2 feet high. I'm measuring it from the wall. If I want to measure it from the back of my bed, it's just gonna be there. Here. So you see the difference? If I measure it from the wall, it's still gonna be the same. Where will you end this? Might be confusing. Here. Not there. Because that's the face of the headboard. Okay.
It's like a luscious.
That's what I'm saying. Wow. I'm like,
Right. Next.
just thinking my week ahead.
That's your mattress from so and so, and that mattress height is 10. So from the top you go down 10 inches, and that's your mattress. Okay. Now where is my footboard? My footboard is 2 inches deep. There on the ground. And then I'm gonna bring it up to, what's the height?
10. No.
1.
3,
110.
110.
110. Okay. So where is 110? Here's 110. Because this is 2, then that's 110.
So what's the 3 sides on this? 30 on this ruler?
30, 30, 60, 90.
Right.
Okay. Then, this one. This one.
Should the line of mattress here be like blue or black?
Yeah, everything has to be in blue, but make the final one black.
So it still shows the line of the mattress here. Like,
Yeah, in blue.
okay.
But this is now in black. That's why I made it darker.
Oh, okay.
I made it darker so that you know that that's the real black. That is only a blue.
A blue, okay.
because you don't have X-ray
Yeah.
vision to see what is there, right? Okay, now next is this. What is the height?
3 feet. 3 inches.
Which is the? Is this one?
It's 2-4.
Oh,
2-4.
What's the?
The other
That's a
one.
dresser, right?
That's the other one.
The dresser's over there.
Okay, so it's 3-4,
2-4.
2-4. Okay, so that is also blue. This is the only one that's black.
Okay.
Next. That one is 3 feet high. All the way until how far? Until here or until there? Where's the floor plan? Until here. It goes all the way to there. Correct?
It's 4-6.
Yes.
Right? Then we go up this point, and this point. And how high?
3, 2,
What?
3.
Three.
Final.
What?
3.
Is it what?
Three.
Exactly the 3?
Decision made.
Oh Lord. I'll just take that jump with you.
We'll hold hands.
There you go.
Wow.
Very spacious.
Time when you see the final, this drawing.
You see, people understand this, but they can't understand an up floor plan.
See, and I find this so hard to understand.
Really? Because you're there.
But
you
maybe
might
if you
as well
come to
stay
that
here.
side, go to that
Behind me.
side.
Is it easier?
Yeah, because your
Because
brain is
from
now
here,